Welcome to Healthy Baking. Today, we're diving into the delectable world of healthy baking. It's all about enjoying our favorite treats without the guilt. So, if you're ready to satisfy your sweet tooth the wholesome way, hit that subscribe button and join me in the kitchen. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food lovers. For more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips, check out my channel, Natural Lifestyle Remedies. It's packed with delicious inspiration for a healthier and happier you. I post new videos every week, so stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Now let's talk about healthy baking. Why should we embrace healthy baking? Well, the benefits are truly rewarding. When you bake at home, you control the ingredients, ensuring quality and freshness. No more hidden nasties or excessive sugar. Secondly, healthy baking is a fantastic way to incorporate more nutritious foods into our diets. Think of the goodness of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables finding their way into delectable desserts. Thirdly, baking can be a therapeutic experience. The process of measuring, mixing, and baking can be incredibly soothing and rewarding. It's a wonderful activity to do with loved ones, creating sweet memories together. Lastly, healthy baking empowers us to make healthier choices. By opting for wholesome ingredients and mindful preparation, we take control of our health and well-being, one delicious treat at a time. Let's talk about easy ingredient swaps that transform ordinary bakes into guilt-free delights. Instead of refined white flour, experiment with whole wheat flour, almond flour, or oat flour. These alternatives are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Instead of using refined sugar, try natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or coconut sugar. These options offer a more delicate sweetness and added nutritional benefits. Remember to use them in moderation, as they are still sweeteners. Instead of relying heavily on butter, explore healthier fats like mashed bananas, applesauce, or Greek yogurt. These substitutes add moisture, flavor, and a nutritional boost to your bakes. These simple swaps significantly impact the nutritional value of your baked goods. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create delicious and healthy treats without compromising on taste or texture. Now, for the exciting part, recipe ideas. Remember, healthy baking doesn't mean sacrificing taste or indulgence. It's about creating treats that are both delightful and nutritious. For a wholesome breakfast or snack, try baking oatmeal raisin cookies with whole wheat flour, oats, and honey. These cookies are packed with fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. For a comforting classic, whip up a batch of banana bread using whole wheat flour, mashed bananas, and a touch of maple syrup. The natural sweetness of the bananas shines through, creating a moist and flavorful loaf. And for a delightful dessert, try a fruit crumble with a crunchy oat topping. Use a mix of seasonal fruits like berries, apples, or pears for a burst of flavor and natural sweetness. So there you have it. Healthy baking is all about making conscious choices without compromising on taste or pleasure. It's about nourishing our bodies from the inside out, one delicious treat at a time. Remember, a little indulgence now and then is good for the soul. So go forth and embrace the joys of healthy baking. Experiment with different ingredients, get creative with your recipes, and have fun in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, happy baking!